Power your SimpliSafe Outdoor Camera forever. Solar Panel Setup Guide. Step 1. Identify your solar panel type. Circular mount. If your solar panel has a circular mount attached directly to its back, it was likely purchased before October 24. Permanent mount. If your solar panel has a separate mounting piece, it was likely purchased after October 24. Step 2. Select a suitable location. Sunlight. Pick a spot that receives at least 3 hours of direct sunlight daily. Distance. Ensure the location is within 13 feet of your camera to accommodate the power cable. Step 3. Mount the solar panel for brick, stucco, or stone surfaces. Use a masonry drill bit to drill 2 holes. Insert the provided anchors and secure the panel with screws. For wood or vinyl surfaces, directly screw the self-tapping screws into the surface using a handheld screwdriver. Adjust the panel. Use the mount to angle the panel for maximum sun exposure. Step 4. Manage the cable. Wrap any excess power cord around the base of the solar panel. Use the included Velcro straps to secure the cable, preventing tangles and potential damage from weather or animals. Step 5. Connect to the camera. Plug the solar panel's charging cable into your SimpliSafe Outdoor Camera. Ensure the connection is secure and the cable is not strained. Important tips. Initial charge. Fully charge your camera's battery before connecting the solar panel. The panel maintains the charge but doesn't recharge a depleted battery. Compatibility. SimpliSafe cameras are designed to work exclusively with SimpliSafe solar panels. Third-party panels may not be compatible. Alternative mounting. If standard mounting isn't feasible, consider using gutter mounts or custom brackets. Some users have successfully adapted mounts from other brands for their SimpliSafe panels.